solve these equations. You have reactants on the screen, right? Write product of all the reactions one by one. Once you are done with the second equation, this is second equation. Once you are done with second equation, let me know so that I can unmute you and ask you for questions. Okay? 6 and 7. You have 7 equations on the screen. Start from second equation. Well, please go ahead, and who have completed equation 2, update me please. Who is done with equation number 2? Prajwal is done, it seems. Let us unmute Prajwal. Prajwal, you please try explaining all the 3 steps that you have used, okay? If you have used any advanced technique, that's okay, but please let us go in these 3 steps because I want everyone in the class to get benefited. Well, Prajwal, can you please talk?
Ma'am.
Hello, Prajwal.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, can you please answer?
Yes, ma'am. Hydrogen is firstly here in cation. Calcium is also cation. Hydroxide and chlorine are anions.
That's good.
But by your method, I follow the method, and it was simple to do. H2O,
Okay.
Cn2 plus H2O.
CaCl2 plus H2O. That's correct. And which mechanism is it? Single displacement or double displacement?
Ma'am, double displacement.
That's good. Thank you so much, Prajwal. That's extremely correct answer. Yeah, you just have been crisp enough. And when I scroll back and see, I see that Rishabh have responded, I guess. Yeah. Rishabh? Yes,
Good
yes.
morning,
Can you
ma'am.
please answer? Good evening, Rishabh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, Na is a metal, so it's a anion.
Okay. Anion or cation?
So, sorry, cation. And
Okay.
SO4 is negative, so Na forms a bond with SO4, that is NaSO4, and
NaSO4.
H2
Okay.
with this one.
Yeah.
And H2 forms with OH, that is H2O.
Okay, that's correct. Rishabh, I have one doubt here. When there is a compound formation between Na and SO4, let us check with the help of crisscross method. Okay. Valency of sodium is 1 and sulfate is 2. When we crisscross, what will be the product?
Na2SO4.
Yeah, you said NaSO4, right? Was that by mistake?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's okay. So the products here are Na2SO4 plus H2O, right? Thank you so much, Rishabh. Your answer is correct. Now, let me ask somebody about equation 7. Who is done with equation 7? Mohit Nagaraj. So, Mohit Nagaraj, I'm unmuting. Yeah, can you please answer to equation number 7 on the screen?
Fe has plus and H has plus.
Hey,
and
we are talking about equation 7.
Okay, 7. Mp and H both are plus, and CO3 and Cl are both are minus. So it is double
Okay.
N.
Okay.
So we have to interchange their elements. So it would be GCl2 and HCO3.
It will be NaCl2 plus HCO3 or something else. Let us use crisscross method to verify. CO3's valency is 2. Hydrogen's valency is 1. What is the product?
H2CO3.
H2CO3, correct? Yeah, that is correct, Mohit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being very clear and step by step when you have given your answer. That's great, guys.